Hi, I'm Dr. Malia Shervat. I'm the CEO and founder at Savonix. We are facing an unprecedented demographic change globally, where in countries like the United States and Japan, there are more people over the age of 65 than under the age of 5. Right now, about 5.8 million Americans, 10 million people in Europe, and around 23 million people in the Asia-Pacific region are living with Alzheimer's disease. And these numbers are expected to go up drastically in the next few years. The World Health Organization has called Alzheimer's disease the one disease that will cripple economies. And when we look at the cost of care, it's easy to understand why. Diabetes costs about $2,500 a year in care, but for an Alzheimer's patient, it's closer to $20,000. And those costs are expected globally to top $2 trillion annually within the next 20 years.